Are you looking for the best Bluetooth keyboard pad in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Bluetooth keyboard pad that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Amazon Basics Bluetooth Keyboard for Android devices. This product is designed to give you the best cable-free connection to your tablet or smartphone. It is characterized by compact and slim design features with scissor switch and low-profile keys. It offers a 30-foot connection range, but this may vary depending on the environmental conditions and the settings. This product is also compatible with other devices such as HDX devices and others that support Android 3.0+. At number 4, iClever Portable Folding Keyboard. Because of its compact and portable design, it is one of the best keyboards to use when traveling. It is convenient and light in weight with a tri-folding ability, making it convenient to be carried. Furthermore, this product has a durable and ergonomic design that allows the user type without straining. Its silent keys can allow you to work anywhere without even being noticed. It is amazing. At number 3, Logitech Bluetooth MultiDevice Keyboard K380 for computers. This is a universal keyboard that allows you to switch easily between devices. It is very comfortable and you can use it on either your PC, tablet or smartphone without any USB connection. You just turn the easy switch dial and switch to any of the devices you want to type, provided it is connected via the Bluetooth. It also has an integrated cradle to hold your tablet or phone at the right angle such that you can see it as you type. At number 2, Anker Bluetooth Ultra Slim Keyboard. This is a cross-compatible keyboard pad that can be used on iOS, Mac, Windows, and Android, and it has a shortcut key for all the operating systems. It is light in weight and compact, making it portable and durable. Besides, it has a low power consumption in that it can last for over 3 months when used for 2 hours a day. It has a power-saving mode and a slot for 2 batteries. This saves on your energy. At number 1, Logitech K380 MultiDevice Bluetooth Keyboard. This is another multi-purpose keyboard for gaming laptop that allows the user type in all his/her computing devices. It can be used on any Bluetooth-enabled device supporting external keyboard with HID profile. You can connect up to 3 devices and change between them by just clicking a button. Besides, it has a compact portable keyboard to be carried anywhere within your room with ease. Finally, you will enjoy a 2-year life battery, making it the best for power consumption. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.